Getting our car washed. Driving to Cincinnati to go to Ikea. Say hi. We're gonna buy a bunch of tickets from Fort Wayne to Cincinnati and scratch them off. We already have one. Crazy 8 ticket from our gas station locally where we got gas. So, wish us luck. Doing an Indiana Crazy 8s ticket. Looking for 8s. Lots of them. Not yet. There's one. Let's see the winner.
What are these? Bonus?
Or do you want to? Yeah, I got your bonus. $5 whopping. Got a free ticket. The bonus, we're looking for matching numbers. 2 of a kind. Nope. So we got a trade-in ticket. Wow. Getting our first Ohio ticket from this handy dandy. So we'll scratch it here and see how it goes. Alright, Tina's gonna do the first one from Ohio. Funky Fives. $5 ticket. Looks like our numbers are 13, 4, and 11. Looking for a star symbol and the word funky. No matches there. Nope.
Lose.
Nope. Have a loser on our first ticket. Got ticket number 2 in Ohio called Win It All. Matching our numbers, looking for a star symbol to win that prize, a 10x, 20x, and something that says Win It All to win all 15 prizes. Or actually, we have to match this Win It All number to one of our numbers. I always like doing these first, looking for the instant wins. 1, 14, and 16. So unless we have a win at all, we have a loser. 12. Ticket number 2 in Ohio is a loss. Jesus! Stop number 3 in Ohio. Looking for a pile of cash, a $500 symbol, or match your prizes. Looking for our first win in Ohio. We have one winner from Indiana, but it was just a $5 win. 8, 9, and 12. Another donation. Ohio sucks. Made it. 3 hours later. Are you excited? Yay. Yay, bathroom. Alright, got our last Ohio ticket. 200,000 match. Reveal coin symbol to win 25 instantly. A stack of money to win 50. Gold bar to win 100. Or diamond to win 500. Down below we're looking for stars or 20 times or 10 times. Or match our number. What the hell? Oh, those are our winning numbers. Oh, never mind. Our winning numbers are over here. That's retarded. We're used to Indiana stuff. 41, 3, and 22. So it looks like we're a nice 0 for 4. Alright, well, we didn't want Ohio to skunk us, so we made one last stop before we crossed the border. See what happens. Lucky numbers are 1, 19, and 22. And Ohio just hates us. So we're down here. We'll stop by our house and get the last one from Indiana that we won on. Trade it in. Traded our Indiana ticket in right by our house. So we're gonna do this last Indiana ticket here and see if we can get a winner to claim that Indiana's better than Ohio. We already know it is, but you know. So we have 40, 18, 27, 37, and 19. Also looking for a money bag or 5 times. Symbol. $14, $15, $26, $30, $29, $13, $21, $25, $12, $33, $8. Oh, money bag. Money bag wins that prize automatically, and I already see it's $5, $35, and $7. So, I suppose we're still alive with our Indiana winnings, but not how we wanted to finish. Obviously we wanted to be a millionaire, but we had a lot of fun on our trip today. We were gone about 11 hours and played 6 or 7 tickets, and we're still alive with a $5 winner, which I'll probably cash in Monday morning, so look for that. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Happy scratching.